Good morning, children. Welcome back. Children, today we are going to move ahead with the adaptations for food habits. Right? Adaptations जो based हैं food habits के ऊपर. Clear? Now we all know that different types of animals, they eat different kinds of food. Now on the basis of the food which they eat, they have been classified broadly into 5 categories, right? What are those 5 categories? The first is herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, parasites and saprophytes. Okay. Now herbivores. Herbivores are the animals which eat only the plants, right? Plant eating animals, they are known as herbivores. Clear? Cows, horses, goats, deer, zebra, all these are herbivores animal. Clear? Now these animals, they have their teeth and digestive system adapted to eat the grass, to eat the leaves and the other plant material. उनके जो टीथ होते हैं, हर्बीवोर्स के जो टीथ होते हैं और उनका जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम होता है वो इस तरीके से अडेप्टेड होता है इन ग्रीन प्लांट्स को, प्लांट मटेरियल्स को खाने के लिए. क्लियर? नाउ द सेकेंड इज कार्निवोर्स. कार्निवोर्स, दे आर द what kind of animals? They are flesh eating animals, right? Now tiger, lion, wolf, jackal, these all are carnivores, right? Now the carnivores, they eat the flesh of the animals, so their canines, right, the canines teeth, they are very sharp. Okay, then the third category, it is of omnivores. Omnivores, they eat both plants as well as the animals, so their teeth, they have been adapted to eat both the kind of food materials. Clear? Then we are having parasite. A parasite किसको कहा जाता है? What are parasites? Parasite means the animals which live on or inside the body of the other animal फॉर देयर फूड. मतलब एक एनिमल जो है वो दूसरे एनिमल के ऊपर या उसकी बॉडी के अंदर रहता है और पूरा अपना जो फूड है, पूरा अपना जो न्यूट्रिशन है दूसरे एनिमल की बॉडी से लेता है. सच अ काइंड ऑफ एनिमल इज नोन एज अ पैरासाइट. बेड बग्स, worms, fleas, mosquitoes, lice, these all are parasitic animals. Okay, then we are having saprophytes and scavengers. What are scavengers? Now see, the animals such as hyena, vulture, eagle, they eat the dead bodies of the animals, so they are known as scavengers. Okay, whereas the microorganisms, microorganisms means बहुत छोटे छोटे organisms जो हम आँखों से naked eye से नहीं देख सकते, they are known as microorganisms. और उनमें से कुछ हैं बैक्टीरिया, फंगाई. और ये किस पे फीड करते हैं? इनका खाना क्या होता है? they feed on the dead and the decaying matter, so they are known as saprophytes. उनका नाम है saprophyte. कोई भी चीज़ अगर ख़राब हो जाती है, सड़ जाती है, तो दे फीड, वो उनका खाना बन जाती है. किसका? बैक्टीरिया, फंगाई, इन सब सैप्रोफाइट्स का. ओके, सो दीज वर द एडेप्टेशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द food habits. Now we are going to discuss about the adaptations for protection. अब अपने आप को बचाने के लिए animals किस तरीके से adaptation show करते हैं, that we are going to see over here. Now see, the animals such as elephants, birds, ants, they always stay in groups to protect themselves. Clear? ये कुछ animals ऐसे हैं जो हमेशा group में move करते हैं from one place to another. Whereas animals like deer and kangaroos, they run very fast to protect themselves. Snails and tortoises, they have shells around their body. ठीक है, स्नेल और टॉर्टोइस जो होते हैं उनकी बॉडी, आउटर बॉडी पे शेल होता है जो उनको प्रोटेक्ट करता है. क्लियर? व्हेनेवर दे सेंस द एनी एनिमी अराउंड देम, दे जस्ट मूव इनसाइड देयर शेल. Rhinoceros and buffaloes, they have horns for their protection. The cuttlefish, okay, it has an ink sac on its body. Cuttlefish जो होती है उसकी बॉडी पे एक इंक सैक होता है, इंक का बैग सॉर्ट ऑफ होता है. It releases the ink in the water to protect itself. जैसे ही उसको कुछ लगता है कि some enemy is there, some someone is there to harm it, it releases the ink in the water to protect itself. Okay, now see, the animals such as polar bear, chameleon and stick insects, they have features that help them to merge with their surroundings. This is known as camouflage. जैसे chameleon होता है, वो green color का ही होता है और वो पूरी की पूरी तरीके से अपना कलर चेंज कर लेता है. क्लियर? वो अगर प्लांट किसी भी ट्री में या किसी भी उसमें बैठा हुआ है तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी, राइट? पूरा अपना कलर चेंज कर लेता है और मर्ज होता है अपनी सराउंडिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग, इट चेंजेस इट्स कलर. Now polar bear, it is of white color only and it is found in the snow. So again it merges with the surrounding to protect itself from its enemies, right? So these are the various adaptations which the animals show for protecting themselves against their enemies. Clear? Now we are going to move ahead with the adaptation in behavior. अब कई animals कुछ behavioral changes show करते हैं, right? They are also included in their adaptation. Now animals such as frogs, snakes, lizards, they cannot survive the cold conditions in winter, right? Frogs और कुछ टाइप के snakes हैं, lizards हैं, ये winters में आपको नहीं दिखाई देंगे, right? Because they are not able to survive those cold conditions. So what they do, they eat excess food in the summer. समर्स में बहुत सारा खाना खा लेते हैं और वो अपनी बॉडी में स्टोर कर लेते हैं. एंड देन दे स्लीप फॉर द एंटायर विंटर टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द कोल्ड. पूरे विंटर की जितने मंथ्स होते हैं उसमें वो सोते रहते हैं अपने आप को और वो सर्दी से, ठंड से बचा लेते हैं अपने आप को. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर विंटर स्लीप, दिस इज नोन एज हाइबरनेशन. दिस इज नोन एज हाइबरनेशन. अब कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जैसे क्रोकोडाइल एंड स्नेल्स, दे स्लीप फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन समर इन अ कूल एंड शेडी प्लेस. कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जो समर्स को नहीं टॉलरेट कर पाते. सो व्हाट दे डू, दे स्लीप फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन द समर्स इन अ कूल एंड शेडी प्लेस. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ समर स्लीप of the animals, it is known as estivation. Okay, one is hibernation which is winter sleep and this is estivation which is known as summer sleep. Okay children, now कुछ birds क्या करती हैं, they move from one place to another in search of food. या तो अपना फूड सर्च करने के लिए या अपने आप को बचाने के लिए या बहुत ज़्यादा अगर एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस है वेदर की उससे अपने आप को बचाने के लिए या रिप्रोड्यूस करने के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर जाती हैं ग्रुप में. एंड दिस इज नोन एज माइग्रेशन. This is known as migration. So we have learned 3 terms over here in adaptation and behavior. एक है hibernation, estivation and the third is migration. Clear children? So what is hibernation? That is winter sleep. Winter sleep of the animals, it is known as hibernation. Summer sleep of the animal, it is known as estivation. Whereas when a group of the birds, they move from one place to another in search of food or to reproduce or to escape from any harsh weather conditions, it is known as migration. Movement of birds from one place to another. Okay, now children, how we should take care of the animals, there are certain points given over here. Okay, animals, they are equally important, right? They are equally important as human beings, so even they should be taken care of. They are very important in maintaining the ecological balance also. Now even they feel hot, even they feel hungry, even they feel thirsty, right? So how we can take care of these animals? By providing food to them, by providing water to them, by not scaring them with sudden noise or crackers, right? हमें animals को, birds को परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. Many children are in a habit, if somewhere they find a dog sitting or resting, they may take a stone and throw it at the dog, right? So this is very, very wrong. Children, you should never do such kind of things. Okay, you should never disturb any animal or any bird. You should not scare the animal, otherwise it may even harm you. ओके, बाय नॉट टीजिंग देम, उसको परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए किसी भी एनिमल को. प्रोवाइडिंग देम विद ओल्ड एंड रग ब्लैंकेट, जैसे कई बार विंटर्स होते हैं तो यू कैन प्रोवाइड देम विद ओल्ड एंड रग ब्लैंकेट्स टू द एनिमल्स सो दैट दे कैन feel comfortable, right? in the cold weather. Then informing the elders, you can inform your elders or take them to a veterinary doctor if any animal has been injured, or you find that the animal is not feeling well, it is ill, it is showing some different kind of symptoms. So you can, with the help of your elder ones, take them to a veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor means the doctor who treats the animals, right? So that kind of doctor, it is known as, he or she is known as a veterinary doctor. Clear, children? So this was all about the adaptations. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Okay, children, thank you.